welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to add an app back to your home screen on iPhone and your iPod touches. So this is obviously going to be if you guys have moved apps to the app library and you want to move them back to your home screen. It's really easy to do this. So first things first, you just want to go over to your app library by swiping over. Then you will see all your apps that are currently inside your app library. Now what you want to do is you want to scroll and find one that you want to bring back to your home screen. So let's just say if we want to bring back, let's say App Store. So I'm just going to go ahead on App Store and long press on it. You're then going to see an option right at the top here to add to home screen. Once you do that, you then see the app comes back to your home screen, and then you can move it to wherever you would like to, into a folder, or just leave it here if you would like to. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to do this on your iPhones. If this video does help you out, be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.